So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about TCS Freshers Off Campus Type 2021. So before discussing about the job role and eligibility criteria, if you are new to our channel then please subscribe and don't forget to check our new videos regarding latest off campus types and the job references. So we have uploaded minimum of 70 to 80 videos regarding latest off campus types. So please check each and every video and apply for the job roles by the help of the link that we have provided in the description of each video if you are eligible for the job roles and if you are interested. And also you can join our official Telegram channel called latest off campus types for you. So I'll be putting the Telegram channel link as well in the description of this video so that you'll be able to join our Telegram channel more easily and get updates regarding latest off campus types and the job references. So now let's discuss about the job role and eligibility criteria. So the company name is TCS. Job profile, they are hiring for the management trainee and work location is across India and salary will be getting best in the industry and experience required is freshers and interview location is online due to this COVID-19 situation and qualification required is BE Tech only plus MBA. MBA is must because they are hiring for the management trainee that or the graduates, that means the MBA graduates. Then batch eligible, only 2021 year of pass out candidates are eligible for this role, that means the current batch only. No other year of pass out candidates like 2019 or 2020 year of pass out MBA graduates are not eligible for this role or for this interview process. Then registration end date is 13th December 2020. That means the registration process is ongoing right now. So before 13th December 2020 you need to apply for this job role. Then test date or the interview date is 19th December 2020. That means in this year. Then the other eligibility criteria courses. So only 2 years of full time or the regular postgraduate management courses, that means the MBA courses would be considered. Other part-time or the correspondence or the 1 year courses will not be considered. Only the full-time course is required for this job role, that means the 2 years of full-time MBA graduation. Then batch. Students of 2021 year of pass out candidates, as we discussed earlier, background BE Tech only. No other background candidates like MCA, BCA or BSc are not eligible for this job role. Only BE Tech background candidates eligible for this job role plus MBA. So if you are not eligible for this job role, please don't apply for this job. Otherwise at the end, when during the verification process, your application will get rejected. So please keep this thing in mind. Specializations: marketing, finance, operations, supply chain management, information technology or IT, general management, business analytics, project management, etc. Then percentage: 60% is minimum throughout your career in 10th as well as the 12th as well as the graduation and the post graduation, which includes the successful completion of the final year or the semester. And the backlog: no pending backlog during the interview process. Remember this thing. So if you selected no pending backlog will be permitted at the time of the joining TCS. Then the gap: it is mandatory to declare the gap or the arrears or the backlogs if any during the academic period or during the work experience. So 30 months of you can say the education gap is relaxable, you can say, or it is allowed. 30 months, that means 2 year and 6 months. Then the test details. So the test duration will be, or the written test will be of 30 minutes. There will be totally three sections. First one is the verbal ability, second one is the quantitative ability, and the third one is the business aptitude. That means there will be no coding round because they are hiring for the MBA graduates or the management graduates. So this is all about the test date. So after completing or after being shortlisted for the further round, there will be two more selection process second one is the technical round, and third one is the HR followed by the managerial round. So I hope you get a clear idea about this. So let me take you to the official website where you can apply for this role if you are interested or if you are eligible. So this is the official website of TCS Career. So here you can see the registration end date is 13th December 2020 as we discussed earlier. So about the management hiring year of pass out 2021. So these are the process you need to follow if you want to apply for this job role. First you need to visit to the nextstep.com slash campus. So click on the register now. So it is same as of the other apply process or the application process. That means which is for the BTech as well as the BE candidates, same as of the BE BTech process. Select the IT information technology, not the BPS. Fill the registration form and click on the submit button. And remember one thing, after filling the form, you need to click on the apply to the drive. Remember this thing, because if you are not clicking on the apply to the drive, then you will not be able to sit in this off-campus drive. So after clicking on the apply to drive, that means you are willing to attend this drive this time. That means on the 19th December, you are willing to attend this drive. So this is the nextstep.com portal. So if you have already registered in their portal, you need to enter your email address and password, and then you need to log in. If you have not registered yet, then click on the register here option here, then you will be able to register in the next step portal. So I hope you get a clear idea about this. So I am requesting all of you to register yourself before 13th December 2020, otherwise you will not be able to sit in this drive. So if you are facing any difficulties while applying for this job role or registering in the next step portal, so let me tell you one thing, sometimes next step portal uh, does not work properly due to the over engagement of, you can say, because the most of the candidates will be registering themselves. So you may face some server issue. So don't be panic, take your time, and the during after evening, or you can say after 10 p.m, try to register in their official portal or in the next step portal, because it will be free, because the less number of candidates will be using. So I hope you get a clear idea about this process. If you are facing any difficulties, please comment in the comment section below so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.